Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning to my respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear friends, and everyone present here. Every beginning has and every end is a new beginning. Today is a day I will remember forever. Our farewell at Mudhara Jabbar Academy is not just the end of class 5, but the beginning of a new journey. I would like to take this opportunity gratitude to our teachers who have dedicated themselves tirelessly to our education and development. Thanks all of teachers for your guidance, knowledge and support. I would like to conclude my short farewell speech by saying that child really learns, loved and sometimes even cries. Our teachers supported us like guardians and saved our hearts with kindness. In our this is the specialty of our friendship. We promise that we didn't leave a previous family. As for Mudhara Jabbar Academy, thank you for every smile, every hug and every memory we shared. Finally, as we start into new class, I pray that all Allah grant all of us. I ask my speech for I beg to serve all of friends. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.